3, 2, 1.
What is the largest ocean by area? The answer is D. Pacific Ocean. In the book The Lord of the Rings, the Fellowship of the Ring, who saves Frodo after he was stabbed by the Wraith? The answer is D. Glorfindel. In humans, there are 5 primary tastes, and each taste has only one corresponding type of what? The answer is B. Receptor. What tool do you use to make lines or shapes on paper? The answer is A. Compass. In the series Hawaii Five-0, McGarrett often had the ear of the Hawaiian Attorney General. What was his name? The answer is C. John Manicote. What actress plays the role of Jordan Mooney in the movie Cocktail? The answer is C. Elizabeth Shue. What scientist is believed to have been the first true alchemist in medieval Europe, as well as the most significant? The answer is D. Roger Bacon. What is the fear of long words called? The answer is A. Hippopotamonstrossquipedaliaphobia. When did World War II end? The answer is B. 1945. What has traditionally been defined as a force of attraction between two masses? The answer is C. Gravity. Which part of the nerve cell helps transmit nerve impulses? The answer is A. Long, bread-like extensions. Which president is known for saying "I cannot tell a lie"? The answer is A. George Washington. What has a bottom but never sits down? The answer is A. Coin's purse. In Greek it is "se apo", in Lakota it is "tekihila", in Lithuanian it is "tave miliu", in Albanian it is "te duo". What is it in English? The answer is D. I love you. Who are Elda's parents? The answer is B. Gladys and Vernon. Opposite charges attract and like charges do what? The answer is D. Repulse. Which skeletal muscle moves the scapula forward, as in pushing something? The answer is A. Serratus anterior. In the Disney animated feature Bambi, after the mother is shot, Bambi's father leads him away into the thicker parts of the woods. What is the name of Bambi's father? The answer is A. The Prince of the Woods. What is the main function of the human liver? The answer is D. Excretion. Which kitchen tool has a coil and heats food quickly? The answer is D. Hot plate. Which ability is the most useful for making observations? The answer is A. Senses. Which Disney movie has characters named Pongo, Purdy, Lucky, and Lucy? The answer is C. 101 Dalmatians. Anna's class counted the number of butterflies in the school garden for an assignment. Anna's results were different from the rest of the class. What should she do? The answer is B. Leave the results alone. Which of these movies did not involve Roberto Benigni? The answer is B. Playtime. In the novel Moby Dick, what do Ahab and Ishmael encounter? The answer is D. Whale. Which of these coat colors is not found in wild-bred fox populations? The answer is C. Black. What is the world's largest bird? The answer is A. Ostrich. What tool helps you draw straight lines? The answer is A. Protractor. What is glue primarily used for in school? The answer is D. Sticking paper together. What is the largest piece of furniture typically found in a bedroom? The answer is C. Bed. What do the contents of electromagnets resemble? The answer is D. They look like gas containers. What theory describes gravity's role in the universe? The answer is B. Relativity theory. DNA technology has improved greatly in the last 20 years. Which task has been made easier by the development of DNA technology? The answer is A. Identifying genetic disorders. Ayers Rock is part of which continent's largest mountain range? The answer is C. Australia. What is a frock in clothing terms? The answer is B. Dress. In 1862, during the American Civil War, Opelousas briefly served as capital of which state? The answer is D. Louisiana. By the end of the 16th century, a country called Commonwealth of Both Nations covered almost 1 million square kilometers of Europe. Which two countries formed it? The answer is A. Poland and Lithuania. Who is the author of the novella The Diamond as Big as the Ritz, which is centered around a mountain consisting of one solid diamond? The answer is C. F. Scott Fitzgerald. The Great Pavement, a hidden, unknown to most tourists and seldom displayed treasure, is located in which building in London? The answer is A. Westminster Abbey. Rainbows are always found after what? The answer is C. Rainfall. From what part of a tree was aspirin originally extracted? The answer is C. Bark. What major U.S. interstate highway runs north and south through Minnesota? The answer is C. I-35. Which vegetable is also known as belle of the woods or horn of plenty? The answer is D. Mayday mushroom. Loudness is measured in decibels. A pneumatic drill at about 40 feet gives about 85 decibels. How many decibels result from an airplane taking off 200 feet 60 m away? The answer is C. 120. What is helminthology the study of? The answer is A. Parasitic worms. Who plays Edward in the Twilight series? The answer is A. Robert Pattinson. What type of shoes do flamenco dancers traditionally wear? The answer is D. Tap shoes. What 1995 film follows a man who spends 3 years in solitary confinement at Alcatraz? The answer is B. Murder in the First. Chris stirs a cup of hot chocolate. He uses a wooden stick thinking it will stay cooler than a metal spoon. Which activity best describes the student's action? The answer is C. Making a prediction. In certain populations, some of the chromosomes have become what?